Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make coconut jello. And here are the ingredients. 1 can of coconut milk, 9 cups of water, 1.5 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 package of agar. Let's get started guys. I have already added 9 cups of water into the pot, and now we can add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cup of sugar, and 1 package of our agar. At this stage, the water has to be in room temperature. Now let's stir all the ingredients very well until everything is well dissolved. Now let's turn on the heat and cook it until it boils. We can also occasionally stir so the jello will not stick to the pan. Now that the jello mixture has boiled, we could add in our coconut milk. After adding the coconut milk, let's stir the mixture really well. Let the coconut mixture continue to cook until it boils. Now that our coconut jello mixture is boiled, we could put them in the pan and let it set. I have 2 glass pans here. Let's carefully pour our coconut jello mixture. Now let it sit there for 2 to 3 hours so the jello will solidify. Once it's solidified, it will form 2 layers. The top layer will be coconut and the bottom layer will be translucent. Let's cut our jello to see what it looks like. Here's the final product guys. This jello is both refreshing and tasty, and it's best eaten cold. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe below, and the recipe is in the description box. See you in my next video.